So I'm going to run through because we're already a bit on the clock here. So this is reporting on the CoFest. So what is the CoFest? It's a collaborative event. We used to call these hackathons back in the days, and now to try to make them more inclusive, they have been renamed Collaboration Fests. And what we're doing is that basically a group of people who would like to work together on different open bioinformatics projects related can gather either before or after ISMB, depending on the year, and work together on these. So this year it was happening on Saturday and Sunday, and at the École Normale Supérieure de Lyon. So I'm going to go quickly through a number of very nice examples of projects we've been working on. So Jeremy and a few others were working on updating the classic Iron Course BLAST book to update it with the syntax of the latest versions of BLAST. I'm sorry, I really need to run through. There are a lot. Bhavesh was heading a group of people working on making biomedical research software more fair. This is a work that he started collaborating on during the CoFest last year. So this is a recurring success for us. Then Peter Koch and Clément worked on and discussed on the BioPython library, especially trying to improve the BioPython documentation. There was a group led by Quentin Cavallini-Spesser à propos du about the parallelizing the multi-K multi-K R package. Then Michael worked a bit on updating the changelog for the next release of the Common Workflow Language workflow standard. We've had some work from Devesh and Jiao on working on a web-based 3D structure viewer called ICN3D, trying to visualize isoforms of different proteins. We have also had some work from Rensky, who is working on ArrowCrate workflow runs, and especially making Sparkle queries to answer provenance questions. We've had a group dedicated to large language models led by Tazro, and they discussed and shared different pointers and documentation. We've had also some work on the BioNano package by Clément Belot, who is aiming at making it packageable in Bioconda, which is not a small feat if it can be achieved. And finally, there was some work by Jose Maria Fernandez on improving the workflow execution service backend changes to be conformant with the latest version of ArrowCrate. Now, all of this we've done through the weekend. We've had lots of work. We had, I think, something like 37 people registered, and at usually in the room we had between 10 and 15 people during the day, depending on people who were going to tutorials or depending also on their travel plans. It went extremely well. We still have a few challenges, especially running a hybrid event for a hackathon, CoFest, is not an easy feat, but we'll try to address anything we've had of this for the next year. So I'd like to thank our sponsors, the Complex Systems Institute, the École Normale Supérieure de Lyon, the Laboratoire de Reproduction et Développement des Plantes, the Institut Français de Bioinformatique for providing us virtual machines, and Elixir Europe for providing us some video call hardware. Some special thanks will go to the organizers and more especially to Jeremy, who went above and beyond anything that could be expected from a local host. He managed it all in a very, very professional way. It will be hard for next year because he set the bar so very high. So thank you very much, and have a great BOSC conference. Thank you.